welcome back. Just wanted to share a couple of things with you today. We've been talking a lot at the moment about ideas for inspiration. Here's two other suggestions of ways that you can get some inspiration. Okay, so Mum Bella has been, she joined like a tag swap on one of the recent videos on YouTube, and one of her partners, she had two partners, and one of her partners was Barbie. I will put some links in the description below so that you can see, go and have a look. She's got some beautiful kits on Etsy. I think it's been about a month, I think, they've been waiting for this to arrive. Mum had it arranged to come to my address because Mum's waiting to move house, and she's also isolated at the moment because she's going in to have an op next week. So it finally came the day before yesterday, and I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the tag because it is absolutely beautiful, and plus because Mum can't see it yet because it's obviously at my house, not hers. So just wanted to show you all the lovely little details here. I don't think I've ever seen a tag with so much detail in it. It's absolutely beautiful. So there's a little tag there with a little bit on the front, and that there, like a specimen card then in the front of there. And then when you open the inside you have a little mini journal, so it's like a notebook. Look at that. This is gorgeous, Barbie. It's really lovely. So talking about ideas for inspiration, looking at other people's work, that's the biggest one for me. That is just lovely. There's so much layer in there. And then to the back then you've got another tag then in the back. A little leaf in there, see that in the specimen card? And then there's this beautiful trifold bunny there, and then a little note inside, which I will leave that for Mum to read when she's better and we can take it over to her. So there we go. So thank you for that, Barbie. That is lovely. It's made my day and Mum's. I just also want to do a quick flip through of Mum's latest journal for you to see what she's been up to. Keeping busy while she's in self-isolation. Trying not to drive Dad mad. Okay, so this is her latest journal. This is a botanical journal. It's absolutely beautiful. And she's done something slightly different this time because she's done it with an opening cover on this. So I'm just going to open this really carefully. I don't know if you can all see. Oh my gosh, this is just like a party on my desk. There's so much to look at. The pages are all of a slightly serrated style. She's used a ruler to get that edge in on there. I just want to double check you can see. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, right. So in the front we've got a journaling tag, a big journaling tag. I will put the link for the kit below, but this is a kit, so check it out. I would if I were you guys because it is gorgeous. You can see her hand stitching on there. Mum's massive into her slow stitching now this year, so I imagine there'll be a lot of that. And her sewing machine is fabulous. There's all these really groovy stitches. A sticker on there. Now this, there's a bit of a story behind this. When my grandma passed away, we bought a rose plant. I think my mum bought a rose plant, and she cut some of the flowers and pressed them. This is some time ago now. I don't want to say off the top of my head because I'm not entirely sure how many years it's been, but it's been about 10 years, I would say, perhaps longer. And Mum found these pressed flowers the other day in a book, photocopied it, and then used the image for that there. And my grandma's name was Grace, so she's featuring quite a lot in our journals at the moment, in one way or another. That is lovely. There's another tag in there. So that's a little flip-up pocket. That's fab. Oh my gosh, there's just so much to look at. Okay, so this is lovely. That's side of a botanical book. And inside of there is, oh gosh, that's lovely. It's a tag, and she's used sections of the kit to decorate that. Belly band with a nice stitch finish. unusual. I don't know if she's done that. She must have stamped that on there. I don't know if you can see. There's a little butterfly imprint there on the paper. Oh, this is one of Mum's. I recognise that. It's one of Mum's drawings. That's lovely. I love this natural. Oh gosh, look at that. This kit is gorgeous. You really must go and check it out, girls. It's really, really vibrant. So versatile. Oh, this is clever. Okay, so what have we got here then? Bit of sari on there. And then a little... So she's made a tuck spot there, the pockets, that you could add several tucks to by just layering the card and then cleverly sticking it. So you can put that in and then something behind it. I like that. That's fab. Beautiful, lovely, lovely pages. Yeah, that's another book page there, and then a tag. Ooh, a tag with a journal card. That's very cool. I like that. A bit of lace trim. And all these beautiful pages. That's nice. Little spot there for you to pop something in. Again, more journaling space. So that's another page there from the kit. I love these little layered pockets. These are fab. Really interesting. Okay, some more tags. Gosh, these are lovely. See, now I'm getting loads of inspiration now because I'm about to start a design team project for Natalie at Line Arrow, and she's asked me to do a botanical one for the next one. I can't wait, but this is great because this is giving me like, ooh, loads of ideas. Oh, I wouldn't have thought of that. Oh, these are lovely. Lovely little bit of sari on there as well. So again, some more of these staggered pockets. These are fab. Some nice journaling page there. I love this kit, it's gorgeous. A nice journaling card that you could write on the front, and I think, yes it is, it's a double pocket. Very nice. Lots of new ideas in this one, Mum. This is really lovely. Really lovely. Tim Holtz, a little duty tag. And an envelope. That's fab. Sorry, my hands are shaking now. Okay, two signatures. This is the second signature. That's lovely. I like that. She's hand stitched that on there as well. And we've got another journaling. Oh, a double-sided journaling card. So that's brilliant. Lots of places for writing little notes. And another one here. That one's double-sided too. Another one of Mum's drawings. Okay, that one's great. I like that stitched detail on that tag there. And she's just layered that there. We were talking about embellishments in our last video, and this is the sort of thing I was talking about, is, you know, just adding layers. This gives depth to things. There we go. So she got some little tags in that pocket there. She used a bit of Edith Holden paper. Another page from the kit. Oh gosh, this is a lovely busy page. Gosh, look at that, that's lovely. I thought she'd put these on brown paper, but I can see now it is the kit. Gosh, that's really effective. I love that. Oh no, this is one of the ephemera out of our new kit that's coming out from the family letters. That's some vellum, is it? I'm not sure she's printed on that. That's lovely. Another pocket with a tag and Mum's drawings. More tags. These are fab. This journal has just got so much to it. There's loads of journaling space, which is fabulous, but there's lots to see and do, and tuck spots and pockets and, oh, sorry, that's another lovely page. Yeah, definitely gonna have to go and have a look at this kit. lovely. Put the page into a pocket. More pages from the kit. Down here, isn't it? Oh, they've disappeared. Come on, there we go. Little tiny tags there. Very cute. Oh, I love these blue butterflies. That's lovely. Look at that. Oh my goodness, what have we got going on here then? I'm not going to open that because I'm going to get fingers and thumbs and make a mess of it. But that's lovely. That's oh no, I'm going to have to open it because there's something interesting in there. Here we go. Oh, well, I wasn't expecting that. There we go. Look, little concertina pockets. This is lovely. Really lovely. Hope you enjoyed our flip through today. This is now in our Etsy shop if anybody's interested in purchasing it. And if you want to know what kit it is, I will put the link in the description below. But here we go. New journal. Nature Botanical. Beautiful.